Welcome back, guys. KKC Productions here, and I am finally back with another review video for you guys. Here we actually have a keyboard that was sent to me from Banggood. I've actually used them before and they are amazing. This keyboard is going to be awesome. This is the first time I've reviewed a keyboard that has an optical switch in there. It's going to be super fast. This is a 61 key keyboard, and you can see it's got some awesome effects on this as well. I'm going to go over all of the different color options, the software for this device, and also the Gateron switches that come in this keyboard. Stay tuned, and let's get down to business. Alright, so first things first, I want to thank you, Banggood, for sending this keyboard out. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to do an overview of this guy. Here is their website. They have so much stuff to offer. I mean, they have everything you can want on this website. Anyway, let's get to business. The keyboard itself. This keyboard, as we can see here on their page, it has a Gateron optical switch. It uses USB Type-C cables. It's going to be awesome for that. And it is the 61 key layout. You can also see right here that it has 16.8 million colors. So this keyboard has some options when it comes to the color. You can look at this website. I'll have it linked in the description. It'll have some other details. There's also some percentages off if you download their application as well. I will include here the driver download address. You need to download that to be able to get the software to customize this keyboard. That is awesome. It's got all the details about them, how many times they last. This is a keyboard where you can actually hot swap these switches. It actually comes with the pins to take it out. They take the keycap off and then also take these the Gateron switches out as well. You can see that's got all the details in here. That's what comes in the box. Comes the cord, very nice thick cord. And what else do you expect? It comes with a manual. It's a little skimps on the directions of what the keyboard can do, but it will get you up and running. So as we go back up to the top, there is the price. This guy runs at $49.99 currently. It has the options of the black switches, what I have, the blue, the brown, and red. And I will find a web page that shows you what the different switches do in terms of the tactile click, linear, or etc. So here is the website I did find where it has the differences in the types of switches that they provide. Some of the colors are not available for this exact keyboard, like the clear ones, but you can see the difference in the red, like a linear switch, very silent, black. The ones I got, it is a linear switch since I already have a tactile blue switch for mine. I wanted to try a linear switch, but it's a little heavier on the how much force you need to go down on it, as it is 50. Of course, if you want blue, you get the clicky. Sounds about right. And then they have the green and the brown, which more of a tactile on the brown side and clicky for the green. So that's the description there. Now let's go ahead and go into this keyboard. Alright, so here is the software. I got it all downloaded and ready to go. I actually got a video. You can see my keyboard, exactly what it's doing. So here's the first thing you can do with the software and the keyboard is you can have different layers on this keyboard. You can see it here with these 3 buttons. This one will set it to its default, where you can actually edit those default features as well. And you can change these to be, I guess, different modes that you would want it to possibly be. As you can see, when I click layer 2, it shows only the ones it's going to be lit up as. And layer 3, how it only shows those. So you can see that the keyboard just shows the different options with it. Alright, so with that, you can also do macros. You can do macros for this keyboard. I know people like using that for gaming, which is great. And also, they allow you to change the keybase function set. You can edit anything you want in here, from number pad, media, mouse. You can choose that. Then you have the system and net, so you can actually change some of the copy and paste features. or disable stuff. You can, whatever you want to do with that. So here we go for the actual color options of the keyboard. We go under driver mode, which we can see here at the top, and then we can actually do a static light. So if we just want one set color, you can change anything on the scale, set it, you can select that whole thing, and bam, you get the same color on the keyboard. Let's check out some of the backlighting settings. So you can just do their preset default ones, that's totally fine. But then we start going down further, we have a C wave. So we can see that it shows exactly what's going to happen on the screen, but then when we apply it, you'll see it do it on the keyboard as well. They have the reciprocating light, so these are just some more options they have. We can go through just a few of these. That's just the white one where it recedes and comes back on and off. This one's really cool. I've seen other keyboards, but they usually don't have the driver set with them, so you can do so much with the being able to control it on the computer. This one is nicer too. Just kind of selects through some of the colors there. This one's a little different. I haven't seen that one before. There's flame. I'm not a big fan of this one, but it just kind of right in this section does its little own thing. Two poles, that's another neat one. And of course, you can always customize your own. This one's a little crazy. Colors going through the whole entire thing. I like that one a lot. That's pretty neat. And then this almost looks just like some of the ones you can make. Like this one, I just left it there. I didn't really do anything. But you can just have it light up. Maybe like the keys are going to be used for gaming. So if you're going to be doing the ASW key, ASWD key, where you're going up, down, left, right, you can have those lit up. All the function keys if you want. So it's totally up to you. But here's that software. There's so much more you can do, but you really got to play with it to learn exactly what everything is doing. I'm going to do a short video right next so you can hear the actual click of the keyboard. You can actually hear that linear click, but you can hear it when it bottoms out, and then you can see if this is something that you would be interested in for yourself, and also that awesome price. Well, that's all I have for you guys. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video. If you want a notification bell, make sure you hit that on my channel so you get notified when new videos come out. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you soon.